What's going on, guys? Gonna do a quick unboxing video here today of some Veneer. Veneersupplies.com has the best assortment of veneer I have found on the interwebs. I've been buying from Joe, I don't know, 10 plus years, and I wanted to do some of the layering on a guitar body like Isaac did in his winning guitar build. So let's go spend $500 on Veneer and see what we get. I told Joe I was going to do a video for him, and he said, okay. So I'm an idiot, and I couldn't find the black veneer that I was looking for, so he shipped me 2 boxes. I can see the majority order is in this, and the sticker says open carefully, contents under pressure, and you can see all of the different veneer strips I got in here. I usually like ordering one-piece strips 13 inches wide for guitar bodies. I don't like joining veneer. I've never had really great luck doing that, so let's see what we got here. You can feel the spring. I ordered some Babinga, some IPE, some beautiful flame maple, or no, flame sycamore, and then I have some walnut backer here that I'll put in between each sheet. So this is getting slightly unruly. And my shop isn't even really big enough to hold this. Now I'm from one wall to the other. Sweet. Alright, so I'm just going to show you the veneer here. This is walnut backing. It's actually got some decent figure in it. This stuff was relatively cheap. Again, this is 13-inch wide, and then I got some plain maple because I want to do some sandwiches. So like, this is dark IPE, and I want to do, like, you know, 2 sandwiches with walnut in the middle, and then this is, or maple in the middle. This is flame sycamore, which is beautiful, and then Babinga as sort of a different color. There is some more stuff buried in here. But what I'm going to do is I'll get a board in here and I'll start cutting these up into my sheets. So these are some of the sheets I bought from Joe a while back. These are bleached burls. And then I bought some quilted from him as well. And then I've got some flamed ash and flamed oak. I'll give you guys a random set of giveaways in this. So I'm doing a giveaway of my own personal stash. This was not sponsored by Joe. This is just stuff I'm sitting on. I figure it's time to give some pieces away back to you guys. So I probably got enough for 10 to 15 guitar bodies. What I'll be doing is sort of a sandwich in the middle between 3 to 4 pieces, maybe 5 pieces, just to spruce up the guitar bodies slightly, something a little bit different. Let's open up this other piece. You can always tell how nicely run a business is by how well they pack. And this stuff is packed nice. I'm actually trapped in the shop now. Oh no, this is actually the other set of the order. I forgot I had other stuff in here. This is not the reconstituted ebony. This is the other stuff I ordered. I forgot I ordered some dyed sheets. Look at that. Wow. Look at that stuff, guys. That is pretty. The blue will look awesome on some of my guitar bodies. Same with the purple. I'll include a couple of these sheets. What's nice is I can get, I think, nah, maybe not, but I can get a bunch of stuff out of this. This is incredibly beautiful. Holy smokes. Look at that blue. Sorry that I can only use this for the centers, but obviously you can make a top out of this as well. But just to share some awesome veneer, where I get my veneer from, Joe at veneersupplies.com. I think that's it, right? Let me just double check. It is veneersupplies.com. Joe's been running this business for a really long time. It's got some beautiful sheets. You can just see the different colors in here. Sometimes if the veneer gets wrinkly on you, you guys are gonna have to use that spray to flatten it out, which is the Veneer Tamer. And you put some weight on it. I've had pretty good luck with that in the past. So I will give you an assortment of sheets. Again, put a comment in the video. I want that, or something of the sort, and I'll be giving away a pack of, I don't know, let's say 5 to 10 sheets. You guys can screw around and play like I am. So thanks for watching, guys. We will see you in the next video.